쇠도 가시 나와 마세 히 music video 히죠 히죠 someone say stop so cái em tổ đồn lâu chứ mèo chân nu hey Javier bad vibes. I know I'm ugly, but it's okay. You don't have to point it out, okay? It's okay. 没有吃到一茶 OK 没有吃一茶你咯没有太多了太long啊一多了多了啊 it's okay okay study okay 多数 anyways network here at say over 你ka music video ka kasiam ni ka oh hi lo ba to ka nilom hi engangay siam oh big fan from Zoram. Thank you. You're the most prettiest girl on earth. Thank you. Thank you. Hihi, kasoi 들었냐 뭐. Milcha hi ata. Milcha is smart. People, you know, bring ni, okay? Anyway, anh tiếng nghe thấy lâu cái chuyện về cái lâu anh tiếng nghe cái lâu did now and later on high budget you got that right good morning Thơ tạo lệ đẹp độ mù Thơ it's coming out okay 신비야 인태낭 First of all, have we ever dated? Dài la nghe You are my high You by the way when someone say if someone ever hate on you don't worry okay you'll be fine if you care about them you just lose it so don't care about them if someone ever hate on you don't hate on them back yeah Zaila Zaila everyday Zaila do you like Taylor Swift love her yes but not as much as before I am getting nervous why why are you nervous don't be nervous I'm not going to bite you Antosak like BTS once said love yourself good vibes only no bad vibes here okay haters we love you lovers we love you oh haters I love you lovers I love you haters thanks for hating The view is going up. You know that? Sheesh. Okay, let me block this guy real. No bad vibe here. It's a spam. Okay. Let us sin now. It's like in this world, people, it's a reality. Like I once said, someone's gonna love, someone's gonna hate you. That's just reality that we all gotta face. So you can hate me all you want. I won't be chasing your standard just to be loved by you. Then I lose myself too. Then I lose myself too. I'm not the person I used to be, nor you used to see. I won't live up to your expectations, I just wanna be me. You're not gonna like it, but that's fine. People comes and goes, and truth hurt, it's just reality, yeah. I'd rather be me than who you want me to be. I'd rather be real and be who I am. Accept it, I have flaws, and so are you. So what's the point of judging me? You are nothing but losing your own breath. So embrace who you are. Don't treat who you are for what you know. Somebody else to love you. It's not being proud, I just wanna be me. I'm not trying to lose who I am for someone else's good before I regret it all. Song for everybody. Anyway, thank you. Yes, good vibes only, my guys. Good vibes only, and you. Oh, if someone hate you, tell me. I'll love you. Okay. So somebody said you was already mine, though. Good inch. 強くなれるようした僕を連れて進めどうしたいって消せない夢も止まれない夢も誰かのために強くなれるならありがとう悲しみを世界に打ちのえされてYou are not forever, you are mine forever. Young and successful. What? I forgot. So yeah.